Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing, it's, oh, 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 help! Somebody! We're playing like some deep sea adventure game, bro. Where you like have to survive in the water, with like passive fish, aggressive fish, and stuff like that. The kraken. I just got kidnapped by the kraken? Where am I? Easy now, you're not dead yet. You came here for a reason. The abyss chose you. Oh yeah, that's the game of the name, Abyss. You'll need equipment to survive down here. Wooden tube. Take this gun and tube. One catches fish, the other keeps you breathing. Why are you helping me, though? Should catch 3 fish. Show me you're not just bait. Okay? Alright, Kraken, I got you. Darkness falls over the depths. Okay, how do I... Once forgotten, now home. Underwater. Alright. Got it. This menu shows your weight. When you catch fish, be careful about how much you carry. It might slow you down if you carry too much weight. How do I... Keep your balance. Hold tap to push your bar up and release. Oh, okay. Oh, I got it. Nice. Pretty good at this. Nice. You're coming here too. Oh, we got away. Okay. Go. Come on, keep him in the green. Get him, capture him. Yes. Oh, uh-oh. How do I... Oh, okay, we're good. Get me in. Boom. Nice. I'd like to sell everything. You have enough to purchase old tube and starter gun, Henry. Yeah, why is there a crab? He's been with me for years, but I never understood him. Talk to the crab. Rumor has it that there's a scroll underwater that allows you to understand their language. If you find it, come back to me. How much is that gun? Bye. Wait, how much is this back here? 2,150, bro? Alright. Starter gun. Control. Yeah, I want to buy that. Okay, go to my inventory. Guns. It's not that much better, but it's decently better. Boom. I gotta go over here now. Old tube. Nice. Now I gotta go here, and I'm assuming gotta equip it. It's a little better. Race menu and reroll for a new race. Each race grants a unique power. I can... Oh, okay. Alright, give it a spin. What do I get? Poop. Are you serious? What does this even do? Plus 10 day. I got poop. Bro. Yo. Successfully. Bro. Toyo knocks out a cracker and get me a quest. Catch. How do I get a quest from him? Wait. Talk to the Kraken and get a quest. Oh, there it is. Do you have any quests for me? You understand the basics. That is the bare minimum. Now prove you can actually use those tools in my waters. Show me you are ready. Catch 1 clownfish, 2 blue tang, and 2 tang. Okay, good. Be quick about it. Okay. I gotta catch 1 clownfish, 2 blue tang. Come on. Keep him in there, keep him in there. Keep him in there. Come on, dude. Yes! Caught a clownfish. What is a tang, by the way? Am I supposed to know what that is? Is that a tang? Are you a tang? Oh, you are a tang. Okay, you are a tang, bro. Boom. No! Come here! Catch the tang. Yes. Did I miss? Whoa, where do you think you're going, bud? Nah, you're leaving your girlfriend, bro. Sorry. I need to capture you. What? What? Oh. Go, 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 go. I'm okay. Alright. Now I need 2 blue tang. I'm assuming these are blue tang, yeah. Boom, capture you. Nice. Okay. Ugh, come here, blue tang. Gonna capture you. Alright, we got a blue tang. Nice. Alright, now we did here. Air still lingers here, but so does the kraken. I've completed your quest. You handle your will. Acceptable work. But this was just a warm-up. The true depths are much more unforgiving. Do you have any quests? You have potential, but your tools are weak. If you want to dive deeper, you must invest in your survival. Watch out for the spikes. They do not forgive mistakes. Catch one pufferfish, 3 get the weapon. Do not return empty-handed. I'd like to sell everything. I need the 100 more dollars. Okay, catch 3 clownfish. Clownfish are pretty easy to catch. Pretty easy. Not bad. Okay. I need another one of you. I got a treasure chest from that too. I don't know what the treasure chests are for, but alright, nice. Clownfish, come here. I'm gonna capture you. Come on, catch him. Alright, there we go. 1 pufferfish. Where'd the pufferfish at? I should probably go back. Yeah. Smart coal. I would not have made that, bro. Wait, do I die instantly if I run an axe? Oh. Well, I captured the thing now, right? I lost $12. Okay, that's not that bad. Here's your $53. Alright, I need to capture 1 pufferfish. What's that door down there? I'm looking interesting. I'm interested in this door. Oh, whoa. Whoa, critical depth. Where are these pufferfish at? What the heck is that? Alright. What are you? You're a pufferfish. I'm gonna catch you, boy. Can I not catch him? Oh yeah, there we go. No, come on. Let's go, let's go. No, no, no. You're good. You're hard to catch. He's dead. Does that count as catching him? No. Damn, bro. He's good at escaping. I'll give him that. What are you? It doesn't seem like I can catch him. Chill, bro. Wait, where the pufferfish at? What are you? Spikefish? What? Whoa, whoa, whoa. So you're... What? Is it an aura? I can't attack it? It's too strong. Missed. So that's what that little red dot means? I can't attack it? Hello? Can I catch this thing? Okay. I'm dead, bro. Bro, why am I so weak? Pufferfish just killed me, bro. Just died. A dead ass died to a pufferfish. Why can't I catch this thing? Hello? Okay, there we go. This thing's good, bro. Bro, how? I just can't catch a pufferfish, bro. Like, it's dead bun's impossible, bro. I guess I just need to stick to catching other fish for now, and then buy the other one. I'm assuming that's what I need to do, bro. Okay. Let's go sell. Okay, let me in, bro. I'd like to sell everything. 49. What are these, by the way? Can I eat them? How much do I have? 331. Which is the beginner. I need 19 more dollars. Boom. So can I not catch him when he's like puffed up? Is that what this is? Oh my gosh, I caught a pufferfish. I did it. Let's go. Treasure chest. What's in it? Oh, you got enough to buy the beginner gun. Yay! Oh, 20 damage, 2.4 seconds, 8.5. Nice. I've completed your quest. Your family arm probably good. Now you look less like prey and more like a hunter. Oh! What the? I can do that? Okay. I didn't even do that on purpose, but what did I get from that? Here's whole ancient power. Some artifacts, they will grant you strength, speed, and breath. Take a Geo to Varela. Yeah. She will release the power and lock inside. Catch 1 salmon, 2 pufferfish, and find and crack a Geo. By normal 2. Okay. Good. Do not let the power remain buried. Find a geode while catching a fish. Visit a real pack of geodes. Feel the artifact inside. Oh, I have one of those. That's what those are. Okay. Yes, I do. It costs 150 though to open it, or do I get 150 from opening it? Buy normal tube. 425. That is expensive. Alright, well. What is this, by the way? It fills my oxygen? Okay. Welcome, diver. Do you carry any? You need to do anything. Carrying geodes if you have the hands for it. Correct 10 mossy geodes in the Forgotten Deep. Alright. On it. 2 pufferfish, 1 salmon. Okay. Boom. Looks like we got ourselves another pufferfish, boys. Nice. What is that? Can I catch that? Where are you? Let me capture you. I know. What the actual fuck is that? How much health do you have? Pretty good. There's one big boy. Alright, time to go back. Don't worry, I'm on my way back, bro. I'll break too. Like, call a salmon, bro. Dude, that's big money right there. $82. Wait, what? Where's my geodes that I cracked? Artifacts. Oh, pussy. Okay. So I can only have one. Alright, nice. Quests. And then achievements. What can I do with these? I can go to races. I still have the poop one. I can't reroll unless I get 100 of this. Okay. Let's go fishing on. Alrighty. Where are the pufferfish at? There are pufferfish. Boom. Yeah. I need to find the geode. How do I find one? They just like be laying around. So if you want to catch this salmon. Alright, never mind, bro. I gotta go back. Chill. Yo, do not start breaking me. Relax, bro. Relax. Okay. What is that? Oh, you're a pufferfish. Don't want to get close to you, bro. Right, let me. Yeah. I can't get that treasure chest if I want to catch. It's fine though. No, I didn't even get a chance. Oh, I do. I have enough cash to purchase a normal tube. 425. Nice. We caught it, bro. We caught it. Okay. There we go. Tubes. Normal tube. 70 O2 is pretty good, bear. Okay. Let's go. Boom. We just need to find a geode now. Where can I find one now? Is this one right here? No. The chest right here. Let's get that. There's also another chest. Oh, I get plus 25 oxygen from it. Why can't I catch you? Oh, chill, pufferfish. Why can't I catch you? Thank you, bro. Base. So we're coming back to base, boys. Don't worry where I'm going. I'm going, bro. Don't worry. No way I don't make this right. Relax. Oh my gosh, dude, I just fell so far. Received a banana. Already thinks he's getting away from me. You are not getting away. I'm catching you right here. Right now. Okay, nice. Now what does it want? 4 lionfish, effect 2 geodes. Let's get back to base. Yeah, I get it, bro. We're level 6 already, bro. Yeah, I like to sell everything. Here's your $230. Nice, dude. This from that. Okay. So she's finished. She cracked 2 so far. There's 2 left or something like that. I need to catch 4 lionfish. So where are you? You're a lionfish over here. What the heck is that? Ultraviolet clownfish? Dude, that's sick. Where are the clownfish? Where's the lionfish at? Lionfish, what are you? You're a pufferfish. Look-y. You're trying to attack me, bro. Okay. Nice. Another lionfish right here. We get 2 out of the 4. got 2 lionfish now. Back to base. Right back out. Boom. Lionfish, I'm coming for you. Where you at? You're glowing. Right. Where are the lionfish, dude? Aggravating me. Lionfish, lionfish, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? What is that? Oh shit. Ah, crud. I didn't know there was a pufferfish right behind me. What'd I lose? We lost 1 fish and 64 cash. Damn, bro. Whatever. Whatever. Still, what is that thing now? It's dead now, but... Abyssal tag. Where are the clownfish, dude? Or the lionfish? I keep... Dude. Okay, Jojo. Critical depth consumes so much, bro. Crazy work. Did I make that? I do. Okay, where are you? Right, how about over here? There gotta be some lionfish over there. You a lionfish? Or you? Clownfish. Oh, you're dead, but... Alright. I guess I'll pick you up. Where? Oh, shit. Where are the lionfish, bro? Dead ass. I can't find any. One advanced oxygen pod. Whoa. Okay. Well, this ship over here. It's too intriguing not to go investigate. Whoa, who are you? Someone who breathes air. Do you not? Okay. That was pointless. What is this? A duck. Hello. Can I open this? Or go up. Dead ass though. Where is this fish? I can't seem to find them. I've been looking forever. Yeah, I want to sell everything. $20. Oh yeah, I probably didn't have anything. Okay, that's low key. Achievements. Anything else? No. Artifacts. What do I got? Plus 12 grams. Plus 1 damage. Wait, how do I can re-roll that. What did that do? Okay. I don't know what that did, but did something. Clownfish. Lionfish, where are you? Dude, you fucking see? I'm about to die, bro. I didn't even run into one, bro. Yeah, bro. What's in my bag? What does a fire tube even do? Ooh, okay. Nice. New tube. It's got 100. Whoa. What is that? Oh, that's a person, bro. Jeez. Are lionfish just non-existent anymore? Alright, well, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.